this machine is now ready to be cleaned. It's been running all day. It was on freeze mode. I just turned it off just so that you can hear me speak over the sound of the machine. But normally it would be in its freeze mode still at the end of your shift, or if you're cleaning this machine in the morning, it would be in its night mode, in which case it would be a little bit easier to clean in the morning. So with the frozen ice cream in here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our clean menu, and we're going to turn on our beaters. We're going to let these run for about 5 minutes, and that's just going to kind of mix up everything that's in there. If you had frozen ice cream, you're going to let it mix it all up and just get it ready to get it softer so it can come out a little easier. Also, we're going to take our lids off. Then we're going to take our mix tubes out. If you're doing this in the morning, you don't need to give it the 5 minutes because it's already melted from sitting all night. Alright, so our machine's been in the clean mode. It's been running with the beaters on, not in the freeze mode. And we're ready to take the ice cream mix out. So we're going to take these off, make this a little bit easier, and pull our handles up, and our mix will come out. So what we're going to do is flush all the mix that's in the system out. We're putting it into this bucket. This is all pure mix in this bucket. So we'll be able to refrigerate this mix, mix it with fresh mix, about a 50-50 mix, and then we can run it back through the machine again. As long as this is, we're not at a cleaning point where we're breaking the bacterial cycle. We're just going to let it go. Good. I'm going to go put this in the fridge. Before I do that, I have my bucket of water. And this is a warm water. It's a little bit warmer than room temperature, but it's not too warm that I can't put my hand in there. You definitely do not want to put hot water. You just want to put warm water. Kind of help melt everything that's in the machine. I'll go get more water. So we're just going to keep letting water flush through this system until we get clean liquid coming out of the machine. Now we're getting to the point where the water coming out of the machine is pretty clear. So at this point we would decide we could run a Sterashine type product, which is a sanitizer designed to break down the milk solids in the machine before we disassemble it. We're pretty much ready for disassembly and cleaning at this point. I'll let that drain, and then we'll start our disassembly.